Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. A while back, I had a viewer poll saying, which of these products should I do a video on? And the tribe has spoken, and they chose Bugles. So I'm gonna learn a little bit about Bugles, and I'm gonna make something very exciting using them. Let's get to it. My favorite thing about this bag of Bugles is probably this little note right here. It's America's #1 finger hat. I'm gonna need about 1.5 cups of these Bugles crushed. Pour that in a bowl. I need to reserve 2 tablespoons for the future. Mix in 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Press that into the bottom of an 8x8 baking dish. Now you put this in the freezer and allow it to freeze for 30 minutes. Bugles were created by the General Mills Company in the mid-60s. What's unique about Bugles is that when they were introduced with 2 other products at the same time. Daisies and whistles sure sound fun. Well, they only lasted for a few years because one snack came out on top, and that's Bugles. Everybody loves that shape. Now we know Bugles in a bag, but surprisingly, Bugles used to come in boxes first, kind of like crackers and cereal. In that same bowl, I'm going to add about 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/2 cup of graham cracker crumbs, and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mix until well combined. And this will get spread onto that frozen crust. And then back in the freezer for 10 minutes. For 20 years, the only flavor of Bugle was original flavor. It wasn't until 1984 when they introduced a nacho cheese flavor. Currently, there's 4 flavors. It's original, nacho cheese, caramel, and ranch. In the past, they dabbled with other flavors like hot buffalo, chili cheese, sour cream and onion, chocolate peanut butter, and churros. In a saucepan, I need to mix 12 ounces of chocolate chips with 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to cook this on medium-low, stirring often until we have a nice, creamy, thick texture. That's a nice consistency. Pour that evenly over the mixture. I'm going to spread those additional Bugle crumbs on top. I'm putting a few whole Bugles on top as well. Then we're going to freeze it until the chocolate is set. That's about 15 minutes. Bugles sure are fun. According to the bag, who should eat Bugles? Hockey moms and referees, father and son curling teams, book clubbers, landlubbers, even party sound dubbers, band leaders, lead singers, lion tamers, all-night gamers. Everyone should enjoy Bugles. All right, there it is. Let's check out this bar. Looks fun. All right, let's give it a try. Whoa, it's great. Nice mix of sweet and savory. It's a wonderful way to celebrate the Bugle. I really appreciate you helping choose Bugles as the winner for this video. Make sure you check out my community tab, and you could help choose another future viewer choice video. I just ate pelican at a fancy restaurant. The service was excellent, but the bill was enormous.